take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show. I get lost in those hazy eyes. I'm in love with these lazy nights. So maybe we could stay back, lay back here and enjoy the ride. I don't wanna feel the night. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do. Sadie, you save me, you keep me from floating away. Blue dream, baby, you leave me with nothing to say but Sadie, Sadie. I love the way you take control. You lift me up when I get low. I gave you the right of way. Now I'm seeing sideways. But even when Saturday ends, I know I'll see you again. I don't wanna feel the night. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do. Sadie, you save me, keep me from floating away. Blue dream, baby, you leave me with nothing to say but Sadie, Sadie. Sadie, you save me, keep me from floating away. Blue dream, baby, you leave me with nothing to say. You're all that I know. Must have been dreaming the whole damn time. Do you think of me when you close your eyes? 'Cause I don't see you in mine. Of broken love and an empty smile. The kind of love that makes you stay a while, then hangs you up to dry. Thought that this wouldn't hurt, but I'm down on my knees. Never expected the worst, but I'm starting to see. Maybe love is just tragedy, and you blame it all on me. Do what you want, just don't leave me under the streetlights. Can we just compromise? Please, no apologies tonight. I've been waking up too early just to lose some more sleep. I've been hiding from my pride, well, I'm looking for a change. Oh, but what if I change my mind? Will I find my wasted time? There's somebody I look up to, I could only hope to be. If we had the conversation and know exactly what he'd say to me, what he'd say to me.